5 seconds. Star. Over the past decade, the industry has undergone a notable shift driven by global market demands. Traditional manufacturing techniques are fading into obsolescence, necessitating the adoption of more agile manufacturing methods. Fresh manufacturing approaches have emerged, sparking considerable interest in efficient factory management. To meet the demands of contemporary manufacturing, sophisticated technologies like sensor softwares and wireless connectivity have been integrated. In essence, the manufacturing sector has evolved from the digital system to intelligent ones propelled by rapid advancement in electronics, information technology, and advanced manufacturing techniques. An industrial revolution is defined as technological advancement that improves the production process. Historically, the first industrial revolution leveraged water and steam power to revolutionize production. Subsequent, the second phase introduced assembly line and electric powers. The third industrial revolution marked a transition to computerization and automation system in production. The fourth industry revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, the inception of which took place in Germany in 2011, marked the transition from the digital system of intelligent solution. Industry 4.0 is all about optimization of smart flexi supply chain, factories and distribution model where machines capture and convey data via machine-to-machine communication and to human operators. Industry 4.0 aims to enabling business to make quicker, smarter decisions and while minimizing costs and minimum human interventions. Industry 4.0 started the Germany in 2011 in the form of ambitious government-backed project that would overhaul the revolutionizing the production cycle. This transformative era is characterized by novel terms in the industrial lexicon such as smart automation, self-optimization, self-configuration, and self-diagnosis prognosis. The principle of machine learning (ML) and artificial intelligence (AI) are extensively deployed, particularly in robotic systems which are interconnected via internet to cloud servers, enabling them to learn and operate with minimal human intervention. According to the World Economic Forum, Industry 4.0 represent an unprecedented phase marked by exponential growth and disruptive potential across all industries globally. Enabled the exponential technologies, this phase is characterized by rapid non-linear changes driven by advancement in computing power, bandwidth, and data storage. Industry 4.0 built upon advancement in physical data and biological technology across various sectors. This entails rapid progress in artificial intelligence, AI, nanotechnology, quantum computing, synthetic biology, and robotics, which are poised to supplant production technologies from the past 6 decades. The revolution brought by Industry 4.0 promised enhanced prospects in modern production processes, including mass customization, flexible production method, accelerated production rates, elevated product quality, reduced error rates, optimized efficiency, and improved customer engagement. These partners play a pivotal role in training and nurturing startups through various stages of development from ideation to scaling and growth. Moreover, the government actively organizes national level programs including Agri Startup Conclave, Agricultural Fair, exhibition, webinars, and workshops. These events provide a crucial platform for agri startup to connect with various stakeholders, fostering collaboration and creating opportunities for growth. Support agri startup span a diverse range of sectors including precision agriculture, farm mechanization, agri-logistics and supply chain, agro-processing and food technology, waste to wealth, organic farming, animal husbandry, dairy and fishery. These startups are leveraging emerging technologies to provide affordable and innovative solutions in agriculture and allied sector. Under the program, a commendable financial support of rupees 106.25 crore has been extended to the total of 1524 agri startups during the last 4 years from 2019-20 to 2023-24. So far, hundreds of startups across diverse sectors have received support contribution to the transformation of agricultural sector. Aroma Mission leading the way in Agri-tech startup spearheaded by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR under the Ministry of Science and Technology. The Aroma Mission is a visionary initiative aimed at promoting the cultivation of aromatic crop for essential oils that are in great demand by perfume industry as well as medicinal that therapeutic purposes. The multifarious positive socio-economic impact triggered by the cultivation of lavender in the region have earned in it the description Purple Revolution. The Aroma Mission has profoundly impacted farmers, the village youth, by offering comprehensive support, promoting advanced agricultural practices, disseminating technology, and establishing market linkages. Farmers have experienced heightened yield and increased income, while rural youth have gained from skill development opportunities in cultivating and processing aromatic plants. This had paved the way for sustainable livelihood, contributing to the economic upliftment of rural communities. Additionally, the mission provides appealing startup avenue and those venturing into the aroma sector are finding lucrative opportunities. The Aroma Mission spanning two complete phases 2016-2019 and 2020-2023 has successfully brought 14,500 hectares of land under aromatic cash crop, specifically targeting rain-fed and degraded land. Moving forward, phase 3 of the CSIR Aroma Mission places a strong emphasis on value addition and product development for farmers. The anticipated outcome is the annual production of additional 700 tons of essential oil serving industry such as perfumery, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals. This expansion into value added and herbal products is projected to generate a substantial business revenue of at least rupees 200 crore full stop.